Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Best Buy email notifications. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to not receive any emails from Best Buy and unsubscribe, then click on your account icon at the top section once again, and then click on your account. This will then take you into your account page, from which if you scroll down, you will see the Preference Center option. Click on this menu, and then click on Go to Email Preferences. You will then be taken into your email promo menu, from which, if you see the buttons are turned on, simply click on them to turn them off. After you turn both of these toggles off, you can click on Save Preferences, and you can also do the same for the third-party targeting. After you have chosen your desired settings and clicked on the Save Preferences option, you will not receive any more promotional email notifications from Best Buy, and you can turn them back on if you wish by following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unsubscribe from email notifications on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.